I'm gonna drop a little fire too. Yeah, get a better glance. Right there.
The White House Chief of Staff and other aides knew what the IRS was doing more than 2 weeks before it became public knowledge, but President Obama was not told. Taxes are also the issue in a Senate.
Democrat of Michigan says $30 billion.
Thanks.
Tim Cook is expected to testify that his company pays more U.S. tax than anyone. $6 billion last year and did nothing wrong. Dan Reeves, CBS News, Washington.
Convicted murderer Joni Arias speaks to the Phoenix jury that's weighing punishment, the death penalty, or life in prison today. Arias was convicted of killing her in 2008. Raymond Zarek is the man who brought the key to the forefront in rock and roll. His haunting organ on the 1967 Doors hit "Light My Fire."
I know, he died.
History. Zarek died yesterday at 74 from cancer. A new report offers promising news on personal credit. CBS and Jim Taylor, traditionally, credit card delinquencies and balances do decline during the first of the year. Paying down holiday expenditures, but this year way more than you.
I'll get off at the head. I'm gonna walk back up, get it from a different angle.
At the head where?
No, further up than that. Close to the dump, yeah.
Yeah, they help you to do your job.
But listen, when they bring in the hits and they read the politics.
I see a two-story medical office building with all the windows blown out. Most of the front of this building appears to have been torn away. The parking lot and the heavily damaged cars look like they belong to a gun.
Anything will happen on that pond, got so many things onto the soil.
I'm telling you.
Yeah,
I'm telling you, with higher supervision possibly imminent, they're burning a lot of evidence. That's my
feel so.
Oh, Jesus.
There's a better bun because to me, I would settle for that any day. I can say for high supervision. Bring in the mongoose to get rid of the snake, bring in the damn mongoose. Record that, you can book that. Tell them my sister. Bring in the mongoose to get rid of the snake, bring in the mongoose.
People get back on their feet.
This community will recover. We will recover and clean up as soon as we possibly can. We are.
It's a good shot to get the people in. That's why they better jump on
The tornado has been classified as an EF4, the second most. The tornado lasted about 40 minutes, and then it was over. And so you can imagine the people that were in the path of it did not have a lot of time to get prepared. President Obama's declared a major disaster, and he's been in touch with officials in Oklahoma. White House correspondent Peter Mayer joins us. Peter.
Steve, the president meets again this morning here in the Oval Office with his top Homeland Security and disaster relief advisors. He'll deliver a statement to the nation about 2 hours from now. That federal major disaster declaration starts the flow of funding to support the immediate and long-range response and recovery. Federal Emergency Chief Craig Fugate arrives in Oklahoma this morning to coordinate that federal effort.
The city of Moore, Oklahoma is also familiar with devastating tornadoes. We're live with CBS's Vicki Barker.
It's the city's fourth twister in 15 years. This one in 1999, packing 300
You can't really see nothing. It looks just like what?
Gargantuan form, chewing its way across the landscape. The flames from burning homes glittering below. The mayor says it took 61 days to clean up from that one with a lot
something
of
onto the side.
He's confident will be forthcoming this time too, Steve.
The Oklahoma disaster has captured worldwide attention. Britain's Queen Elizabeth.
He said this is an explosion. Something under the side. I don't get it. Thank you. Talking of gas and things bear on. He did oil.
This morning, here's CBS's Bob Fuss.
The last time, some 5 years ago, the people.